In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grammarly not working in Chrome. Whether you're a student, a professional writer, or just someone who loves grammatical precision, having Grammarly at your fingertips while browsing or working online is incredibly helpful. So if you've noticed that it's not working as it should, don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's dive right in. First off, we'll want to check out our Chrome extensions. This is the place where all your installed extensions are managed, and you can find it easily right in your browser. Simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome window. This will open up a drop down menu. From there, hover over the More Tools option and then click on Extensions. This is where you'll see a list of all the extensions you have installed. Now that we're in the Extensions tab, the next step is to locate Grammarly within this list. Take a moment to scroll through and find it. You'll recognize it by its green logo, or simply look for the name. Once you've found Grammarly, we need to make sure that it's enabled. There's a small toggle switch next to each extension. If the switch next to Grammarly is grey, this means the extension is disabled. Go ahead and click on it to toggle it on. The switch should turn blue, confirming that Grammarly is now enabled. But we're not quite done yet. To ensure optimal accessibility, it's a good idea to pin Grammarly to your Chrome toolbar. This will give you quick access and also provide a visual cue that Grammarly is running. To do this, just click on the puzzle piece icon at the top right next to your Chrome URL bar. This brings up a list of all your extensions again, but in a more compact view. Find Grammarly on this list and click the pin icon right next to it. You'll see the Grammarly icon appear on your toolbar immediately. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have Grammarly up and running smoothly on your Chrome browser. It's a simple process, but one that can save a lot of headaches down the line, ensuring you can catch those pesky typos and grammatical errors on the fly. Remember, if you ever face similar issues again, just revisit your extension settings and verify that everything is set up as it should be. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been